Right. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Irene. 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 Medina Chia. Abusuama 89.7 IGPDS Shelai. Your business news, international news, international news. Yaba fully packed. Yeah, enye asampetwa. One airport CCC that the po ta bonkuto. One airport CCC that the po ta bonkuto. One airport.
Before I would start, I would like to greet your listeners. No, say I bring na. I want your home door. I can't your home. It's a head of my drink chereba. They be make some say I did actually be paying to pay sika, but who don't see no time. It's now say be a phone lines and so we get them to call to share their thoughts with us as well. So a very good morning to our cherished listeners, and today is Friday. Friday, dear, just say yentufu. If it was Monday and Friday, if it was I believe that they are all well and coming to you with the news headlines, general news. The first story we have here, it's about a very own president, Mahama, and it says no favoritism in security recruitment. Process was transparent. City newsroom.
Not just Ghana man penny His Excellency. Yera John Dramani Mahama no wakasano and was say a ban say ye fan crofo akwa pɛ dwuma na akwa ye dwuma e wo banbo adwuma ku ye ofiri bro no we so ye de ni nyina gu pan ba akom ene ye woso na enti ene probability ye de nsa hye bom ne ye nsa beka na aka ye hwe kala wo hye se wo hye blue se wo hye green Ghana man pani se wanye ne saa anase mpanifo anye ne saa ni nyina beboa amache se transparency and say mu beda ho pefe fairness so ebetimi aye adwuma no bi a na komando anase ne kondo so peso okọ bambo adwuma kuo no no wo kọ a onka kase we ya mekokwa de seja ye mfame nka ho ye yimesi nchen dada bi wo se ye nyu bi ensi nchen ide wo nyina agu sebu abakum na agam wo so mu a wa oti be lock no aye lock eno anu
Away from that, government releases 11.6 million Ghana cedis to settle railway workers' salary arrears. City newsroom.
Waynes na kasa ensemi. Ukopie mu ewo railway workers. Ya wonu wo my Ghana mu ha chichiru ene nkran kropon mu ha. Ade se aban no abomoden atwa nani aba behwe wo mo. Sikapuduro 11.6 million Ghana cedis ede ama wo mo ni nyina ne se akatua bi a akeka mu no wo de settle wo mo ama wo so so wo butum ayede. City newsroom ede bai.
A+ announces plans to build port, launch free zones and new city in Gumwa Central. Joy News.
Emra sebedwam ni a wogira mu dia ma adehye ne manfa won mu Gumwa Central owura asare Kwame Obin nye ni obi anim se adegon ono ane to sa anwum no adegon ono ane to ye na se won wogira mu dia ma adehye ne manfa mu Gumwa Central ena wo kire mu se no kwasem opempuntu dwuma de abone ne mpotemu na enye se bia mpuntu dwuma keke ken won wo pa ko